Welcome back, everyone. It's Big Al. I got a challenge lock that doesn't necessarily, well, it doesn't have a name on it or a number on it, so I just put unknown. It is by Texas Jim, though. We can confirm that because it says Texas Jim on the key tag. Right there. Oh, where are we at? Right there. But there's no other markings, no numbers, yada yada. So there's the bidding on the, Jesus, where am I at? Bidding on the key. And it does work. So hopefully we can get into it. Well, if I can get the key out. Jeez, must be them gnarly cuts there, huh? Okay, so let's see if we can get into it a little easier than that key. I will be going with my Sparrows, I guess short hook, and top of the keyway, which is my favorite if I can do it. It fits nice, actually, so I can go back and forth. Alright, and there is a nice ledge right there. They put that there just for me. So I appreciate that. Let's get into this thing and get a feel for it real quick. Okay, we've got, feels like more than one binding, so alright, let's go for it. Bada boom, bada bang. Baby click, I think it was 2. 5, probably 5. Actually, I don't know if it's a 5-pinner or a 6. Going back out. A little bit more. I don't know if that's counter. Let's try it. That is. Okay, a little more off of 1. Huh. 2 is stuck like Chuck. 3. 4 gave me a little more. Oh my goodness. I just touched 5 and we got it right open. Okay, let's see what's going on with this bad boy right here. Alrighty. Bada boom, bada bing. Let's get the camera backed out a little bit here. Oh my goodness. Let's get it down over here. Let's see what's going on with this bad boy right here. As you can see, it opened. Wasn't too hard. Wasn't too tricky on that one. We got blue this time. Rotating. Let's see what we got. We've got a little pin on the back here. Let's see what's going on with this little guy. Alright, these parts out of here. And I think I may try to shim it. I like to shim them. If I can get a shim in there, I like to do it. But you never know. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. The pin should be facing me. I'll be damned, that was a 6-pinner too. Huh. It looks like they all needed picking. I made good time on that one. Whoa. There's 1 and 2 and 3. I mean 2 and 3. 4 and a 5 and a 6. Yeah, I think I did pretty good time on that for the first picking. Alright, get my specs on so I can see what's going on here. And we're going to look in the core. Oh, there's threading in all of them. So that was easy. Threading and everything. Alright, go upstairs. Let me see. That's the front. I don't know if there's any kind of markings. I'm going to put one. There we go. Okay. Where are we at? Right here. Little guy just popped up. Little single serration. Oh man. Okay, there is a spring down in there, but I think it's, well, yeah, it's hung up probably from that cap, but there is a spring, so we're going to leave it be. You can see they are popping up, so that one's number 2 popped up, little single serration on 2. See if that spring wants to come out. Oh, are you kidding me? Yeah, there's a spring in that one too, but it's jacked up in there, I guess. Stuck on that little cap. And 3, barely popping up. Another little single serration. 4, ASA type looking thing, I think they're called. 5. Same deal. That spring came out, but as you can see, there's no room from here to there. It looks like they might have filed the crap out of that for some reason, maybe to get the cap on. There's really no room for the spring, so that's what you end up with. That's probably why it picked so easy. I don't know where that went. I'll figure it out when I put it back together. And 6, little single serration. Yeah, that's probably why the springs are. There's no room left in this top part right here for any kind of spring to really work. I think that's why. Probably why it picked the way it did. And I do see threading in all of them. Everything in there is threaded, but like I said, there's really no room for those pins to move up and down in that little top. So that's what we got. That's what we got. Alright. Bring this camera down. That was from Mr. Texas Jim. Do appreciate it. And it was sent to me by Mr. Squint, so thank you, sir, for sending that my way. A fun little pic, I'll tell you that. Alright, get zoomed in a little bit here. Take a look at some pins. We've got double serrated key pin in number 1, single in 2, single serration in 3, double serrated in 4, same in number 5 and number 6. They're both double serrated. Drivers, I'd call that a spool in number 1, serration in 2, serration in 3. Now I don't know if those are called ASA-like pins, but I think they are, where they're almost, they got like a ring around each end. And this one's same way, but it's got a deeper one, and then a single serration in number 6. And like I said, the springs are just they're stuck in that little teeny short top that it's got there. Okay, that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Big Al signing off.